Size words help us describe how big or small something is. Some common size words are big, small, large, tiny, and huge. These words make it easier to tell the difference between objects and explain their size clearly. The words small and tiny mean something is little in size, smaller than usual. Big and large means something is bigger than normal or more than average. Huge means something is very, very big. Using these words helps describe objects clearly in sentences. Small and big are opposite size words. Small things are little and take up less space, like a tiny ant or a small book. Big things take up more space, like a big elephant or a huge mountain. Knowing these opposites helps you compare objects easily. When you use size words in sentences, you tell people how big or small something is. For example, you can say a tree is huge or a kitten is tiny. Size words add details to your sentences and make your meaning clearer. Here are more size words. Large means bigger than normal. Tiny means very, very small. Huge means extremely large. Learning different size words gives you more ways to describe objects and people. Examples help you learn how to use size words. You can say, the big dog runs fast, or she wears a small red hat. Look at that huge balloon in the sky. A tiny bird sang a sweet song. They live in a large house by the lake. Try to complete these sentences using size words. The elephant is big and strong. A mouse is small and quick. The tall building is huge and touches the clouds. She has a large box of chocolates. Practicing helps you use size words naturally. Size words help you compare objects and describe differences. Tiny and small mean less size. Big, large, and huge mean more size. Notice sizes all around you to practice using these words and become better at describing size.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.